Carbonado, also known as black diamond, is one of the rarest and most unusual diamonds in the world. Unlike transparent diamonds, carbonado has a rough, porous structure and a deep black color. Many people wonder if they can identify or test a carbonado diamond at home using simple household items like toothpaste. While toothpaste cannot confirm whether a stone is a real carbonado, it can help clean the surface and make some natural features easier to observe. Step 1. Clean the stone. Apply a small amount of ordinary white toothpaste, not gel, to a soft toothbrush. Gently brush the stone for 1 to 2 minutes. This removes dirt, oil, and dust that may hide the stone's natural texture. Rinse the stone thoroughly with clean water and dry it using a soft microfiber cloth. Step 2. Examine the surface. After cleaning, inspect the stone under bright natural light or with a flashlight. A natural carbonado black diamond may show a rough, uneven texture, tiny natural pits or pores, a dull to slightly metallic appearance, deep black or dark gray color that looks consistent. A fake stone may appear, smooth and overly polished, uniform without natural imperfections, made of painted or coated material that may lose its finish over time. Step 3. Feel the weight. Carbonado diamonds are generally dense and feel heavier than many common black rocks of the same size. Comparing the weight with another stone of similar dimensions may provide a useful clue. Step 4. Use a magnifying glass. If possible, use a 10 times magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe. Natural carbonado often displays tiny irregular pores and a complex crystalline texture that differs from glass or plastic imitations. Important note, the toothpaste test is only a cleaning and observation method. It does not prove whether a stone is a genuine carbonado diamond. For accurate identification, professional gemological tools such as diamond testers, microscopes, specific gravity measurements, Raman spectroscopy, or laboratory analysis are required. Conclusion. Using toothpaste is a simple way to clean a suspected carbonado black diamond and reveal more of its natural surface features. Although this method cannot confirm authenticity, it can help you make better visual observations before seeking a professional evaluation. If you believe your stone may be valuable, have it examined by a qualified gemologist for a reliable identification.